好. Hi everyone. Today we will learn about Hanyu Pinyin Part 2. Hope you'll enjoy our lesson. On the previous lesson, we have learned the 5 tones in Mandarin. 声调. Today we will learn about 声母, the first 6 initials in Mandarin. The first is Y and W. Now we will learn how to pronounce the initials of Y and W in Mandarin. Y is read as E. W is read as U. YE is read as E. WU is read as U. YU is read as Ü. Ü. To pronounce it correctly, you'll need to make your mouth like U, but make it sound like E. Yes. Ü. Ü. E. E. Ü. Ü. U. U. Ü. Ü. U. U. E. E. 非常好 Very good. 呀也有哇 Let's read together. 乌哦喔以咿啊呀一乌语乌啊哇一耶乌一乌语乌问我以呀语哇耶乌语问你学会了吗 Do you understand? Now, let's look at the next initials. P, P, M, F. B is read as P, P. P, I, bỉ. P, ao, bao. P, u, bu. P is read as P, P. So if you put one of your hand in front of your mouth, you'll feel P has more breath coming out from your mouth. P, I, bỉ. P, ao,跑. P, ao, pa. M is read as M, M. M, a, ma. M, en, men. M, I, my. F is read as F, F. F, an, fan. F, u, phủ. F, a, phê. Read it aloud. P, P, M, F. 爸爸，爸爸。白板，白板。伯伯，伯伯。琵琶，琵琶， 品牌品牌铺平铺平妈妈妈妈密码密码盲目盲目复返复返发福发福芬芳芬芳 Read it aloud again. 爸爸买衣服 In the oral speaking, the third tone is only read half of the tone. On this sentence, we have the third pinyin tone of 买. Instead of read it as 买, we read it as 买. 买. So instead of reading 爸爸买衣服, we read it as 爸爸买衣服。爸爸买衣服。The objective of this is to make the sentence sounds more fluently. 我妹妹要跑步。我妹妹要跑步。妈妈没有买米饭。妈妈没有买米饭。非常好 Very good. How do you enjoy this lesson? Do you want to have more practices? Please write down your email address at the comment section. And don't forget to like and subscribe our channel and turn on the notification bell to get updated on the newest videos. 谢谢。